Good morning, students of grade 4. Students, I hope you will be fine and happy. Children, today I will explain you maths quiz from your worksheet pad. Let's start. Open your worksheet pad, page number 23. Now, look question number 1. Write the successor of. Successor means after the number. One more number. Question number 1, part A. 8,49,209 the successor plus 1. So 8,49,210. The B is 49,900. So plus 1. 49,901. Now question number 2. Circle the multiples of 12. Circle the multiples of 12. Now read the table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108 and 12 twelves are 120. Now circle the multiples of 12 means all the numbers which are come in tables of 12. 24, 74 and 98. Now only 24 comes in table of 12. Question number 3. 1 more than 70,099 is. 1 more means plus 1. 70,099. Question number 3. So plus 1. 9 1 10, 9 1 10, 1, 70,000 and 100. Now question number 4. 500,000 is the same as. 500,000 means it's the value of international. After 3 digits, the comma, it is our international value. So 500,000 is equal to 5 lakh, 50 lakh or 500 lakh. This is the Pakistani value. So 500,000 read in Pakistani value unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So the value of 500,000 is 5 lakh. So lakh, 5 lakh, circle, answer is 5 lakh. Question number 5 is circle the improper fraction. Improper means numerator greater than denominator. Now 7 pound 50. Question number 5. 7 pound 50. 18 a pound 3. 8 a pound 8. 12 a pound 4 and 10 a pound 12. 7 numerator, 15 denominator. If the numerator greater than denominator, its fraction is improper. So the 7 upon 50. Not improper. 18 upon 3. Yes, numerator is greater than denominator. It is improper. 8 upon 8. If the numerator and denominator are same numbers, this is also an improper fraction. 12 upon 4. Yes, numerator greater than denominator. It is also an improper fraction. And 10 upon 12. Numerator is smaller than denominator. It is not an improper fraction. It's a proper fraction. Now question number 6. Which month begin with F. Now read the month names: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The only month of February start with F. Okay, question number 7. If it is 9 a.m. in your watch, what will be the time after 2 hours and 30 minutes? Now time is 9 a.m. After 2 hours means 2 plus 9. 9 plus 2, 11. And how many minutes? 30 minutes. So the time after 2 hours and 30 minutes, 11:30. Now I have 12 socks. How many pairs can I make? Now pair means 2 pairs. And 12 socks, how many pairs in 12 socks? So 12 divided by 2 pairs. 12 divided by 2 pairs. 2 6 are 12. It means 6 pairs in 12 socks. Question number 9. How many threes? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. These are 6 threes. You know, multiplication is the short form of addition. Now how many threes? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 threes. So 3 multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18. And 6 3 plus 18. The number is equal. Number 10. Write down the multiples of 7 between 20 and 30. Now table of 7 and all the numbers which are between 20 and 30, circle it. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 4s are 28, 5s are 35, 6s are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 56, 9s are 63 and 70. Now between the numbers after 20 and before 30. After 20, 21, 28 and before 30, only 21 and 28 between the numbers. Half number 11. Half of 24. Half means 2 parts. So 24 divided by 2. Now read the table of 2 or divide by 24. Divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So half of 24 is 12. Question number 12 is, which two numbers below and up to 20? Now numbers are 8, 15, 7, 14 and 12. These all numbers below to 20. Not up to 20. Okay, question number 30. 3000 plus 500 plus 8. This form is expanded form. Now write the answer in standard form. 3508. Now question number 14. 16 plus dash is equal to 5 into 5. 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. Now which number will be added in 16? We get 25. So count after 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. And 5 5 is 25. Both numbers are equal. Number 50. 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 33 plus dash. 10 4s are 40. Okay. Which number will be added in 33 to get 40? So count after 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 33 plus 7, 40. 40 is equal to 40. Question number 16. 20 plus 300 plus 7 plus 1000. Now arrange this number in expanded form. First you write 1000, 1000, 300, 20 and 7. Question number 17. How many wheels on 8 cars? How many wheels in 8 cars? One car has 4 wheels. So multiply 8 cars by 4 wheels. 4 8s are 32. So 8 car has 32 wheels. Number 18. Half of 32. Half means 2 parts. So 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. It means 32. Half of 32 is 16. Now number 19. Question number 19. What is the value of 7 in the number 1762? The first number value is unit, 10, 100 and 1000. So the value of 7 is 700 or 700. Question number 20. Color the digital clock that shows the time 11:30. 11:30. 11:30 and half means 30 minutes. 11:30. So color 11:30. 11:30. Now last question is read each clue. Decide which number fits all the clues. Draw a circle around it. The first circle is, the number is 33, 99, 26 and 54. I am an odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Which are not divided by 2. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. I am divisible by 3 and 9. इट्स मीन कि 3 और 9 दोनों से डिवाइड हो जाता है और वो ऑड नंबर है. आई रीड द सेम फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. और अगर आप इसको फॉरवर्ड, राइट और लेफ्ट से पढ़ें तो नंबर सेम होगा. सो 54 नॉट ऑड नंबर, 6 नॉट ऑड नंबर and 3 and 9 divided by both number. Which number? 33 or 99. Which number divided by 3 and 9 both? Yes, 33 only divided by 3 and 99 divided by 3 and 9 both. So 99 is the answer. Now next circle has 30, 18, 26 and 13 numbers. Now clues is I am divisible by 2. यानी 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है या 2 के टेबल में आता है. I am more than 9 multiply 3. 9 3 का 27 से बड़ा है. I am divisible by 3 and 10 both. 3 और 10 दोनों से डिवाइड हो जाता है. तो 27 से बिग कौन है? Not 26, not 18, not 13, and 30 is bigger than 27, and 30 divided by both 3 and 10 also. Now students, this page is completed now, and do this page number 23 quiz in your worksheet pad. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.